Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your form submission routing with Salesforce step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Salesforce account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Setup menu in the top right corner. In the Quick Find box, type Process Builder and select it from the results. Click on New to create a new process. Give your process a name and set the process to start when a record changes. Select the object that corresponds to your form submission, such as lead or contact. Define the criteria for when the process should trigger. You can add conditions based on the fields that your submission includes. After setting your criteria, add a new action to your process. Choose Create a record for your action type. Select the object that should receive the data from the form submission. Map the fields from your form to the appropriate fields in Salesforce. Ensure that all required fields are included in the mapping. Once your action is set up, click Save to save your changes. To test the process, navigate back to the Setup menu. In the Quick Find box, type Apex and select Apex Test Execution. Create a new test class to simulate a form submission. Run the test class to verify that the data is being routed correctly. Check for any errors or issues during the test execution. If everything runs smoothly, your form submission routing is successfully verified. You can now monitor the process in the Process Builder dashboard. To enhance tracking, consider adding email alerts or notifications for submissions. Document your process thoroughly for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.